Ginger is an incredible root with many benefits for your health. 1. Ginger tea improves your metabolism. Indigestion is a common problem for many people, and ginger tea helps by easing blockages in the colon and promoting a natural cleansing action. By removing toxins through the bowel, as well as extra waste, the body will shed weight. Ginger contains chromium, magnesium, and zinc, which boost the immune system and help to give your body more energy. The British Journal of Nutrition reports that by drinking ginger tea, there is a direct line to better digestion. Raw ginger is also a known cholesterol reducer. 2. Ginger tea helps lower your cholesterol. High cholesterol is now being shown to have a direct correlation with obesity, and obesity can lead to diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and high blood pressure. Ginger has been shown to reduce cholesterol by breaking down the fats that clog arteries. By expanding the blood vessels, the body's average temperature increases and this helps to burn more fat. Furthermore, ginger has antioxidant properties that fight free radicals that are found in the bloodstream. The anti-inflammatory effects inhibit the blood vessels from becoming inflamed, increasing the flow of blood in the body to cure the pain. 3. Ginger tea can suppress your appetite. Ginger tea is a great way to feel fuller, and is a natural appetite suppressant. Since it contains water, one of the most abundant hunger satisfiers, a glass of this before your meal helps to promote eating less food. Ginger has extremely few calories, therefore, by sipping on ginger tea all day, you will not experience intense hunger. Ginger has a positive effect on norepinephrine and dopamine, two hormones that activate the part of the nervous system that reduce hunger. 4. Ginger for weight loss really works. Ginger has been scientifically proven to help you lose weight. The Journal of the Science and Food of Agriculture tested the effect of ginger on obese rats in 2014. After receiving ginger water for a month, the studies confirmed significant weight differences in the rats. Ginger has been used for holistic healthcare for over 4,000 years, and is also used widely in Asian cuisine. Ginger is a known diuretic, so while it helps to fill you, it is also important to drink water with ginger, because it can dehydrate you. For every cup of tea, drink another glass of water. 5. The recipe for weight loss. Ginger tea. Boil water, however much is desired, and add a few slices of ginger. The smaller the pieces, the more the ginger will be infused in the water. Grated ginger is also another good option. Let it sit for at least 5 minutes. It's best to drink before or after eating a meal. Sometimes the flavor can be strong, so you can add honey or agave to sweeten to your tasting preference. Lemon or mint also are good options for softening the flavor, although many enjoy it plain. If you can, buy organic ginger, as it will have a higher nutritional content and contain fewer chemicals. 6. Forget your slimming shakes. Try ginger tea. As is common with all weight loss techniques, healthy eating and exercise are good for your overall health. Avoid processed food, soda, gluten and refined sugar. Ginger tea can be used for weight loss with great effect, so long as you develop a healthy lifestyle to support your weight loss goals. Be diligent in your nutrition, structured in your exercise, and consume natural remedies for weight loss like ginger tea for an additional boost. Ginger is extremely versatile, and can be added to food or even made into a tea. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe us for more new videos.